In travel news for April 6, 2023, we talk about Regent Seven Seas Epicurean Perfection for upcoming Alaskan cruises. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. As the Seven Seas Explorer readies itself for its premier Alaska season, Regent Seven Sea Cruises presents an array of enticing culinary experiences under the Epicurean Perfection Program. This program will introduce travelers to the delightful cuisine of the Pacific Northwest with 3 bespoke Epicurean Explorer tours and 3 new culinary arts kitchen classes. These thoughtfully crafted tours will take guests to a sustainable oyster and kelp farm run by a local family, a catamaran journey through a stunning glacier-carved fjord to a sustainable wild Alaska salmon hatchery, and offer the chance to taste local dishes paired with artisanal craft beers at a lunch event. Each experience has been tailored to showcase the region's unique flavors and commitment to sustainability. On board the Seven Seas Explorer, guests will be treated to 3 new culinary arts kitchen classes. Participants will have the opportunity to learn recipes inspired by Vancouver and Seattle, as well as how to make sustainable seafood choices. For the first time, Regent Seven Sea Cruises has created a special class for young travelers aged 6 through 16. Regent is also offering a promotion for children aged 2 to 17 to sail for free on 6 select Alaska voyages for new reservations made by April 29th. The Seven Seas Explorer will embark on 15 luxurious 7-night sailings between Seaward, Alaska and Vancouver, British Columbia from June through September. With a maximum capacity of 746 guests, travelers will experience unrivaled service, exquisite dining, and opulent accommodations while exploring Alaska's breathtaking landscapes, the legendary tales of Skagway, and awe-inspiring Hubbard Glacier. According to the executive chef, director of culinary enrichment at Regent Seven Sea Cruises, the new collection of culinary experiences aims to satisfy guests' curiosity about sustainable fishing, aquaculture, and the culinary traditions of Alaska's indigenous people and immigrants. Some of the exceptional experiences offered include a visit to a family-owned, sustainable oyster and kelp farm in Ketchikan, a tour of the salmon industry in Sitka, and a seafood and craft beer pairing lunch in Juneau, showcasing the passion for local produce and artisanal beverages. Culinary arts kitchen classes introduce Taste the Northwest Kitchen, featuring recipes from renowned chefs and restaurants in Vancouver and Seattle. A new class, Master Chef Junior, encourages young chefs aged 6 to 16 to participate with their grandparents or parents, acting as a sous chef. Lastly, the Find Another Fish class focuses on educating guests about sustainable fish choices at home or in restaurants. Regent Seven Sea Cruises is also offering a limited-time promotion where kids aged 2 to 17 sail for free on 6 select Alaska cruises for new reservations made by May 31st. Additionally, travelers can enjoy savings of up to 20% on 12 select sailings for new reservations made by April 29th. With a perfect blend of adventure, luxury, and culinary discovery, the Seven Seas Explorer's Epicurean Perfection Program is sure to delight travelers eager to experience the best of Alaska. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.